On July 22nd at 6:29 p.m., live photos, videos, and tweets started streaming of yet another horrific attack. This time, a shooter killed 9 innocent shoppers in a suburban mall in Munich. Early reports of a lone Arab gunman fit what's become a familiar pattern in 2016. After the stock market closed, however, it was learned the gunman was not a terrorist, but a mentally ill 18-year-old who felt he'd been bullied. What's interesting is that during the hours that the world thought it was a terrorist attack, the financial world did not blink. As cold a calculation as this may be, watching Wall Street's reaction to terror is what you pay a financial advisor to do. So here goes. The news hit shortly before 1 p.m. Eastern Time. In the 3 hours of trading remaining, stocks continued their upward march, and the Standard & Poor's 500 closed at a new record high. This should not be taken as a sign that the civilized world has grown callous to terrorism. Rather, it shows that we are confident we will prevail. In June, just released data on the leading economic indicators showed the U.S. economy rebounding. Following a decline in May, the index of leading economic indicators rose 0.3%. This confirms the economic expansion is still intact, and it is realistic to expect a moderate growth pace for the remainder of 2016. The LEI is a forward-looking index. In the past, it dropped significantly before recessions, so it is a strong early indicator of the onset of an economic slump. Growth in the U.S. economy propelled rising corporate earnings for the last 6.5 years and drove stock prices higher. Higher valuations and the fact that this bull market is one of the longest in modern financial history, the past 80 years, make stock prices susceptible to emotional swings. However, neither the increased frequency of terrorist attacks nor the fears of a Chinese economic slowdown hurting growth across the developing world have derailed the long bull run, and the LEI data indicates growth will continue the rest of 2016. The victims of the senseless rampage in Munich are in our prayers, and in the prayers of all good people around the world.